Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday and we are officially in week 2 of being back to work, but week 1 of fully doing everything, so you will. So it's in the morning and we are up and at 'em, girl. I just threw on this half up, half down, and a slick back ponytail. I hate to see me coming because I'm gonna throw it on every time. And I'm gonna tell you something about these half up, half down. It'll make you look like you really did a lot of work. And it was a quick 1-2. That's what I love about these. This right here is tea, okay? It's smooth, it's strong enough, and I just be feeling really energized with this. I'm not even gonna hold you. Whereas like if I was to get coffee from somewhere else, it would just be, oh, this is just coffee, and I'd be feeling like I'm getting sleepy. Coffee usually does the opposite for me if it's not a good coffee, which is why I like espresso, which is probably why espresso is better. But this right here, if you're like in between like pods for your Nespresso machine or have whatever your coffee machine is, try this out. This gold one is really delicious, and you can pair it with anything. I'm so excited that I tried this out. I was skeptical because, you know, y'all be telling some lies on this internet, saying everything is good and it's not. So I was shocked that this is actually good, but it's been definitely holding me down. It's been holding me down. So I think I'm gonna do this one with my toffee today and see how that turns out. And no creamer, because my creamer is the cookie dough. But that's why I like sticking with like a sweet creamer, because when you have a regular creamer, you can pair it with any syrup. So if I do a syrup that's like not cohesive to the creamer, I'm just gonna do one or the other. You know what I'm saying? So just gonna do it every time. Like if I need a quick, like something sweet, this, if I don't have no cookies or nothing like that, this is actually better to have for my milk supply. And I just made the Chipotle vinaigrette dressing. Very similar. Mine, I just put a little bit more pepper, but I am still in shock as I'm eating this. Like, I meal prep these items to make like Chipotle type of bowls, but to make the actual dressing, top tier. Y'all, I found the mic. Good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday, girl. It's been a few days. Over the weekend, it was so amazing. We got out as a family. That was my little practice run because it's about to get real. We're about to get back into the swing of things of going outside as a family of 4. When I say go outside, not just walks, like out and about, church, all of that is coming up. And so us going outside this weekend to like an outside mall was definitely like a practice run. And it was so hot, all of us was irritable. By the time we got back inside, everybody showered and child was knocked out. So yeah, today's Tuesday. Work has been going great. It's been going great. Coming back from maternity leave, you can kind of feel a little foggy, but the Lord is my strength, as I always say. So I don't know how I'm able to do it, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna make some coffee, just to get my energy up a bit more, because I do have a lot of work to do for work. I've been trying to get this content out, girl. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what y'all want to see as far as any of those categories that I mentioned that I do here on my channel. I know the beauty content has been a little paused, but we're going to get back on it. Trust me. For y'all that are my true OG supporters, from the beauty content is coming. Hair content is coming. Like, it's coming. But right now, this is the season that I'm in, so I want to sprinkle in my motherhood content. I recently got the Nespresso pods, the pistachio flavor. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. But what I would say is I have to get my, I need to get a pistachio creamer. And my mom was telling me they do have a pistachio creamer by Chobani, because I like the Chobani brand creamer. So I'm gonna have to get that just so I can get a little bit more of the pistachio taste. I love a good pistachio flavor. I love pistachios, pistachio ice cream. Like, I need to be able to taste the pistachio. And I feel like I couldn't really taste the pistachio. These are definitely strong. This is a pistachio vanilla flavor. It's a double espresso too, so that's probably why it's super strong. So I need that pistachio taste because the espresso kind of overpowered the pistachio flavor and the vanilla flavor, if that makes sense. But I did think it was pretty good as far as like the strength and power. Yes, is there. So we're just gonna go with the Old Faithful. We're gonna stick with our Nescafe Gold Espresso Blonde. Y'all know I talked about this in my last in the last clip or the last vlog. Very diverse, very diverse. We love her. So we're gonna make her. So I know in my last couple of vlogs I was talking about my pump being like the motor keep going out. I actually talked to one of the representatives and on the warranty team, and she was telling me that this button here, so if you have the zomee pump, this button here, I just pumped, so water may come out because I rinsed this off, but there's a button here. So when I turn this on, this button here, if you hold it down, you see how it says on? If you hold it down again, it says off. This button, this whole thing is like a sensor. So if your clothes, like if you're pumping under your clothes like I was doing, then it could rub on any place on here, and that's what makes the motor stop. So I turn it off because I don't need the motor to be stopping. Keep this pumping session going, please. I don't have that much time with my hands. So figure that out. But I have been really enjoying this pump. It is so sleek. It doesn't bulk out in my clothes when I need to pump out in public. It gets what I need to get done, like as far as like me feeling as empty as possible without overflowing and all that stuff. Like, I really like this pump. It's comfortable, it's quick, it's easy, it's cute, it's sleek. Like, I just washed it, like I said. So this is the cup that goes under here, and it's just look how sleek that is. So cute. So cute. So yeah, and when I'm in between that pumping, I'll just manually pump with my Medela hand pump. This right here is how I started off before using the electric pump. So happy that I found the mic. Y'all ain't gonna believe where it was at. Okay, it fell behind the couch pillow. So going in, doing my monthly cleanup of vacuuming the couch and under the couch and stuff like that, that's where I found it, behind the couch pillow. I don't remember putting it there, but I did apologize to my toddler because I'm like, maybe I did because he tries to get stuff so fast. Even the remote, I have to put the remote behind the pillow when he's moving around, because then he'll try to change the channel, trying to change the TV, maybe possibly order something on one of the apps that's on the TV. Like, I just can't, okay? So I definitely apologize to my little one, and I'm apologizing in public because I know I was like, he probably took it on that last vlog. Hey girl, so it is now lunchtime. I managed to get so much done, as much as I could through the first half of the day. So we'll see how the latter part of the day, because this is when energies kind of rise up. For my toddler, I'm a little nervous, but God is in control. I was sitting there thinking as I was doing my work, and I just fed the little one here and changed him. And I was like, you know what? This is what it's all about. Just me holding him. I was playing with my toddler. We were writing and coloring in between me, answering emails and taking some calls. But I just want to thank God. Like, you don't get this. You're not going to get this forever, and I'm just trying to cherish all the moments. So just balancing motherhood, my professional hood, all the things. I'm just so grateful. And I just wanted to come on here and say that. But I came on here ultimately because I want to tell you that I'm going to make this Chipotle vinaigrette dressing. I made it, a week ago for my meal preps, and it tastes just like it. So I want to show y'all what I did. Today I'm going to have me a little salad with some lemon pepper chicken that I made, like chicken breast. This one's getting it. It don't want to stay like that. Lemon pepper chicken breast, some lettuce, and some corn, and just whatever else I want to add into this for this quick salad. So let me show y'all how I make this dressing. start to this vlog, but we are here. It was a great weekend. We celebrated our toddler's second birthday. They grow so fast. They grow so fast. But we had an awesome weekend. I'm now folding up some laundry from the weekend and just getting prepped for the week. I did some meal prepping earlier, but because I showed you guys that in the last vlog, I felt like I need to show y'all again. But a meal that has got us in the chokehold is the hot honey chicken thighs I did before. I think I showed y'all in another vlog. That's all I've been doing today is pretty much hanging out with the fam. And now I'm just folding up this little load of laundry for the boys. And like I said, I cooked. And that was pretty much it. Retwisted my hair earlier, girl. And we're not even going to talk about this hair situation no more. It is what it is at this point. Trying to figure something out. Something out. All in all, it was a great weekend. It was a great weekend. Celebrating our little one. Can't believe he's 2, man. It was like I just had him yesterday. And now we have a 2-year-old and an 8-week-old. 2 and 2 months. 2-year-old and a 2-month-old. Crazy. I still be shocked. Like, I can't believe I'm a mom. Can't believe I'm a mom. It's the cutest little onesie, but it's newborn. And girl, I don't know what's going on with this generation, but this does not fit him as it did when he first came home. It still fits like out of all the newborn ones, this one still fits a little bit, but the other newborn ones, not so much. We in those 0 to 3 months already. So I'm so happy about that because the breast milk is breast milking. That's all I got for today.